So this is how you solve limits of rational functions. So this is the first one. First we can try by substituting. So we can do 3 squared minus 3 like that. And then x squared would be 3 and then minus 9. And then this is going to equal 0 over 0. So that means that we have to simplify this to find the answer. So what we do is we do simplify the top numerator and then simplify denominator like this, as you can see. And we have x minus 3 here, x minus 3 here, cancels out. So it equals x over x plus 3. Then we can substitute this to 3 over 3 plus 3. So 3 over 6, 1/2. So the limit is 0.5. So now this is the other one that has radical symbol. So now for this one, we want to get rid of the radical. So what we have to do is multiply by the conjugate plus 2, square root of x plus 2, and then we have to do it on the bottom too, like that. So then we have to multiply this, and this. So what happens? Square root of x times square root of x, and then square root of x times 2 is going to be 2 square root of x. Oh my, like an earthquake. 2 square root of x. And then what do we have? Minus 2 times square root of x. Minus 2 square root of x. And then minus 2 times 2 minus 4. Negative 4. And we just write the same on the bottom. Like we don't change anything there. So then 2 square root of x, these ones can cancel because they're just gonna minus. Then we have x minus 4 over x minus 4, and then square root of x plus 2. This cancels, so then we only have 1 on the top, and then square root of x plus 2, and then we can put substitute the 4. So 1 over square root of 4 plus 2 equals 1 over 4. So that's 1 over 4. So on this one, we have to take the conjugate again. So x plus 2, and then plus square root of 2. And then we have to do that on the bottom, like this. So then we just multiply this and this, and we keep the bottom the same. So if we multiply square root of x plus 2 times square root of x plus 2 equals x plus 2, and then minus square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of -4, which is just 2 minus 2. Right? Then square root x plus 2 times square root of x plus 2 is going to be square root 2 and square root of x plus 2. Then we have to do square root of 2 and times this, negative. Then it's square root of 2 plus 2. Then we write the bottom, x square root of x 2 plus square root of 2. And here we can just cancel 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. And then this minus this is right here, minus, cancel. Which then it's going to be x by itself on the top over x like this. We can cancel x. That's going to equal 1 over square root of x root of x plus 2 square root of 2. And then we can just substitute the 0 into square root of 0 plus 2 square root of 2 equals 0 plus 2 equals 2. So 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 2, and then equals 1 over 2 squared over 2, like this. Because you have to add, because there's a coefficient of 1 in the front. Oh yeah.